Good morning, I am Aravind. I study 8th grade. I am from Ashtrix Robotics in Ambattur. I have built a gaming console called OLED gaming console. It runs one game. I have used OLED screen, Arduino and 4 push buttons. And how the game works is I have used Arduino ideally. I have coded a snake to be the character. The snake in the game, the snake will eat fruits and become bigger and bigger. You control the snake by up, down, right, left, push button. You control the snake to go up and down to find the food and eat it to grow bigger. Thank you.